Hey, today we're going to look at the Chromebook HP X360 14-inch, and we're going to take a look at two games that are going to run on it. So I have a gaming mouse here. If you need rechargeable batteries, get a recharger. It's really good. And then since there's only like no SD card, get a USB expander for other options, plus HDMI and SD card and micro SD card and USB. So yeah, so let's test out what's gonna run. So let's see. So here is a list of games. Here's a list of games. We're just gonna see which one actually you're able to install. Sorry, I have braces. I'm gonna mumble. So I have Roblox installed. We'll be testing that after. Among Us. Here's the top few games. I tried installing this one. It's not loading. So let's see. Asphalt 8. We have that installed. So there are the top few games. Got this. This one runs. I'll do another video on that one. And so let's see. Using a mouse. Worked with Roblox. Okay, let's see. There's the top 50 games. So yeah, there's the top games that you're able to install. There's no Call of Duty Modern Warfare for some reason. So yeah, let's go out. We're gonna test out Into the Dead 2. The volume's nice because it comes out from two of the corners or two sides. And then here's the brightness on the keyboard. There's the highest brightness. And we're gonna have it load. The screen gets really smudgy. You can play games while just in tablet mode and stuff. So let's see. You can change. Some games have setting changes, and this one is one of them. You put a high, low, and stuff. Even at low right now, it's still a little. When there's a lot of zombies, it slows down. See. Okay, we'll just play one game on this one, and then see how it goes. That's at max loudness, max volume. Yeah. Let's see. So you can use the mouse on this one, left, right, and then shoot. Wow, there's a little buddy. Oh. Cornfield. Ouch. That'll be scary. Whoops.
Helen, what's happening? Please, just... I shot Dad. He just...
Yep,
changed.
there's that part. We're gonna skip that. There's loading times. And then we're gonna try Roblox next. It's pretty good. For gaming, it's okay. It's a lot. It's nice that it's a little faster. Whoops. I didn't get through that, but. So let's get out of this. Okay, let's load up Roblox. And to find like your specs and stuff, it is down there, cog, system info. Two cores. Oops, my bad. 2 cores. Battery level, display. There's a display, built in. Chrome version, there's not much. Drivers, memory usage, and then voila, temp. So yeah, let's try out Roblox. Yeah, only while recording you see the lines here. But and when you're looking at it yourself, you can't see that. Loaded 3 games already, or I played 3 games. And then let's try this one. Joining server. So let's see, normal. You can see settings in this. Go to settings. And you can change your quality graphics, see how much it runs and stuff. Performance also. There's a GPU, CPUs, how much is running, temp, milliseconds. And then, yeah, GPU, it doesn't have a GPU for some reason. Cent, ping. So let's see. So there it is. Let's play a few minutes of this. I am using the keyboard and mouse. It does help. You guys should get it. It's sort of annoying playing on a keypad. So yeah, let's see. And then you, with the keypad, you can change weapons. Whoops, the guy exploded. And then done. As you see, it runs. Pretty cool. So there's the exit and loading times of both of those games. So yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you guys.